ground. These are $100. 30% off on top of that, so $70, man. Dang, to get them for what, $60-some? That's crazy. These have been out for 2 months. If that, $20-something. That's crazy. Vapor Max for $80 for you women. That's what's up. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, and we are back for our Nike Outlet Black Friday weekend marathon. So yeah, we're on, I think, stop number four now, and we're out in East LA. It's going to be interesting because the last time we came here, my boy Bosco and I, we got kicked out of here for filming here because I think technically you're not supposed to film or something. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'm not going to be able to film going inside, and things are going to be a little different, but we'll see what I can get, you guys. We'll see what I can get. Always working for the channel, so we'll see what happens, you guys. All right, we're here in the size 10s. We're in the size 10s. Price is $35. Going for what? $85? Everything is $35. Everything is 30% off here. Carry flat trap, $65. 30% off. Got Mamba Focus, going for $70. Get 30% off on top of that. Not bad. These are pretty dope actually for a non-signature clothing. Not bad. And the 10.5, got some Air Force Ones, $50. Air Force Ones going for $50. That's a solid deal. Because with the discount, this goes down to $35. It's a really solid deal. Dang. Zoom for Flyknits. Got the React Zoom. Going for $60, man. 30% off. Is that like 42 or something? Not bad. Got some Jordan 33s. I think these are the Chinese New Year's. I can't believe they're asking for retail though. There's no way they're asking for retail. 30% off? That's crazy. That's crazy. Seeing this for $100. Okay, Air Jordan 2s, the Black History Month. Still going for $100. $100, 30% off. That's the worst Black Friday deals. Look at this. Wow, $200 for the white lavas. Wow. CP3s going for retail. That's crazy. We got the Vapor X. This is the one where they did a collab with the Kyries. Go for retail, 30% off. That's crazy. More Jordan 33, size 11. More retail game. That's, I don't know. Maybe that's why nobody comes here. This place is dead. There's some Vapor Max, $100. Let's throw it on the ground. These are $100. 30% off on top of that, so $70. Man, this is one of the better deals here. One of the best deals we've seen so far. Oh, this is definitely the cheapest we've seen these. These haven't been too hot, but dang, to get them for what, $60-some? That's what's up. Let me look it up. Let me look these up. Alright, I checked gold. Could make a little bit of a profit, but not enough. Not worth all the work, so we're gonna put that back. Seeing these Air Force foam composite Pro Cups. Yeah, these are going for $50, 30 off, so $35. Not too bad. We're in the size 12s. Look at this. These just came out last month. Carry 2 low sunsets. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. These have been out for 2 months. If that. It came out maybe a month ago, maybe, yeah. The Carry 2 low sunset colorway. Dang, that's what's up. 30% off. 110. Size 12.5. We got some Jumpman Pros. Going for $45. That comes out to what? $30-some, you guys. Like $35. That's what's up, man. For some Jordans. We're in the size 13. Starting to find deals now. Look at this. $50. $50, man. $35 for some Mamba Focus. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. These are actually, I think I said that earlier. Not bad for A non-signature Kobe. LeBron lows. These go for retail. That's crazy. For the extra huge sizes, Jordan Racers go for 55. Get that 30 off. Oh look, size 13. Odyssey React, all black. 40 bucks, man. 40 bucks. It's like $28 after the savings. Super huge one. 312s. 28 bucks after the savings, damn. Some KDs. Size 10 KDs go for retail now, man. Get that 20% off, but man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, we got some LeBron 7 red carpets. Okay. It's the first time I've seen these here. Haven't seen these in quite a long time. I've only seen these once at the outlet. That's crazy. Not bad. Not bad. We're going for retail then. Continue with the Black Friday mediocrity right here. 160, man. 160, dang. Get that 30 off, but seems cheaper everywhere else. Okay, got some heat in the smaller size. We got some OBJs. Some OBJs, wow. Look at that. A 720. Like a 720 with a unique upper. Yeah, that's what's up. Finally finding something. Well, we got the Stranger Things blazer highs. It's one where you take off. You can take off certain parts of this. The upper, you can take. This is the one where you can take certain parts of the upper off, and there's denim underneath. And people are customizing these. Okay. Going for retail though, man. That's crazy. Prices here are crazy. Okay, we haven't seen these in a while here. The Kyrie 5s. JDIs. Haven't seen these in a while. Wow. 30% off. 30% off one time. Isn't this a kid size? I never understood that. Yeah, 45. 45, 30% off. Not bad. For the Air Max 95, some funky looking kids colorway. The Jordan section, it's just all non-signatures. Wow. Wow. Jumpman Hustles. Got quite a few sizes. Kind of jumping around because trying to avoid the staff members because, yeah, like I said earlier. But yeah, 79 for these Odyssey React 2s. Go for 80 bucks, 30% off. Got some foams. Not the most desirable colorway, but yeah. 180, 30% off. Air Max 98s, 30% off of this. Not bad. They do got a lot of SBs. Portmore 2s. Check Solars. Okay. Slips. There's no laces. Super cheap. And 30% off on top of that, dang. Portmore 2s. SB Team Classic. Check Solar Canvas. SB Charge. Remember, these are all 30% off. Zoom Janowski Canvas. Zoom Janowski Mid. And one more Janowski. 30% off. Up Tempo 95 Lakers colorway. This is the cheapest we've seen these. Full size line. So these are 30% off, so 70 bucks total. That's what's up. Got the Tailwind. Going for 70 after the, like 60, like 68 after discount. Not bad. A little bit pricey for that one. Still get 30 off. Usually the black ones have always been more expensive than the other colorways. That's not bad. That's not bad. If you like these 720s, that's a solid deal. 30% off. Okay, I think we've seen these for 99, but still not a bad deal. Seems a little bit high. These have remained over 100 for a long, long time. Air Max 2017s. It's been the same. I don't know why. It's been the same. These have been going down last few weeks. Been going down in price. The Air Max 200s. These going down as well. Not bad. Those of you Mamba Rage fans. Are there Mamba Rage fans out there? Never seen this colorway. And full box and everything. Going for 70 bucks, 30% off. Starting to pick up. More and more people coming, but still dead compared to all the other outlets. Okay, we're in the women's section. Pegasus 35. 50 bucks. That's pretty good. Pretty good. 30% off on top of that. These trick me every time. They got that off-white vibe to it, and then when I always look, and they got the zipper. Dang it! Those are the Blazer Mid Rebels 70 bucks, 30% off. We saw these last time, 45 bucks. These actually look pretty decent. Got that old school vibe. 45 bucks, 30% off. Guess it's a display. But yeah, that drops that down to 30 something dollars, dude. Not bad. It's a really good find for the women. Got these Air Max 98s. Pretty cool colorway. Go for 130. 30% off. Still kind of high though. Okay, at least these prices are good. The Element 55s, 55 bucks. 55 bucks. Got some foams. I think they call these what, the Hulks? Incredible Hulks? I don't know, it says 10 something and then looks like they changed it. I don't know, but it's 30% off though. 30% off. Air Max 98s, another colorway, go for 120. These are kind of cool. We got some Jordan 1 Novas. Oh yeah, these are terrible looking, dude. For 80 bucks? I think these will go for 80 bucks, 30% off on top of the 80 bucks. Yeah, that's terrible. Terrible. Let's put these back. Look at that now. Some of these prices are decent. 35. Air Force One Gestures. Oh, kind of weird. Not barely tumbled. It's just like a weird leather quality. The Nike sign being a little bit lower, that's interesting. And you can see the outline of where the original Nike sign is. That's really interesting. But yeah, 30, 35. That means this is 20 something dollars, man. 20 something dollars. That's crazy. $25 Air Force Ones, you guys. That's crazy. $100 for these 720s. Brings it down to, that brings that down to 70 bucks. Okay. They look dirty though. But the one right next door, oh, this is 135. These are going for 135. A clean version. 30% off there. Oh, these are the Air Max. I don't know. The FF. I remember seeing these on sneakers, man. Thought they were hella weird. Some sandals. Some 720 sandals, man. Kind of heavy, dude. All leather upper. That's it, yeah. Quality's there, but the look is just weird. Weird. Anybody into these? Who's into these? 225 too. Wow. That's that premium price point. Wow. Got another one of these V-Love. I have no clue what these are. 70 bucks. Nike V-Love OX. Not bad. As I drop it, not bad, you guys. Not bad. 70 bucks. They got the old school vibe. A little paper there. Okay. Vapor Max for 80 bucks for you women. That's what's up. That's what's up. 5.5 to what? So it's 12. Dang. Pretty good size run. Dang, that's one of the lowest we've seen the 720s for. 90 bucks, 30% off on top of that. That's really low. That's like in the 60s. Like $62 something. Dang. 70 bucks for these after the discount. That's not bad either. Air Max 200s go for 90 bucks. Another colorway go for 200. Forrest Gumps really going for 70 bucks. Really? Wow, that's crazy. Get that 30 off, but that's still a rip-off thing. I'm just walking around. One of the workers happened to leave a Jordan 34 here. Not bad. Size 13. Probably going for retail. Get 30 off. So that's a dope colorway. Prices are way up and down here, man. These going for retail. Get 30 off, but not that great of a discount. Kind of dope colorway though. Okay, see, this isn't bad. This has steadily been going down. Air Max 2017. Go 30 off of that. That's not bad for the Air Max Plus. Not bad, 110, 30 off. Alright, so I looked around everywhere. Didn't really find too much here. Prices are very, very up and down. But yeah, we're wrapping it up, you guys. Wrapping it up. Alright, that was the Nike outlet out in East LA. Probably going to be one of the shorter videos. Yeah, because, I didn't really sit there and take too much video of all the smaller, like, less great deals or rip-offs. Why? Because, yeah, the last 2 times we've come here, we've gotten kicked out, so. So I didn't want to sit there and be super obvious about what I was filming. But yeah, if you like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead, press that like button, that thumbs up. Make sure you support your boy, help your boy out. Yeah, and if you're new to my channel or you've been watching these videos but haven't subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I do have videos that come out every day. Usually hit out a bunch of the Nike outlets. We're currently doing the Black Friday weekend Nike outlet marathon. So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are, man. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I thought the prices here were way higher than everywhere else, and there's like nobody there compared to all the other ones where there were lines and stuff. So yeah, and then they wonder why they're struggling. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.